Here we are on the evening of December 22nd, 2013, towards the end of the ice storm. You can probably hear all the Canada geese off in the background. That's the boat all covered, that's Goshawk all covered in ice. Go up a little bit closer so you can see what's going on here. Okay, if you take a close look, there's our bubble all covered in ice, and see if I can, there we go. See, it's a good chunk of, yep, whole thing all covered in ice. Ooh, scary. And if you listen, you can hear all the Canada geese off in the background. And see if I can zoom in a little bit here, and you can see all the Canada geese all ganged up in the bay because of the ice storm. You see them all, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of Canada geese. And just in case you wanted to take a look, there's the docks all covered in ice, and our two neighbors. Pan back around, look at Goshawk again, and look back down towards the marina and the houses. Yep, pretty icy. We lost power for about 4 hours first thing this morning, but other than that, we've fared so well so far. Oh, and we got friends. There you go. How you doing, guys? And again, one more time, just back around, do like a little panoramic, and that's it. Have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye.